message is being transmitted at the request of the Waterford Police Department. A dangerous event is occurring in the forest trails between the areas of the town Norway and Harrison. A dangerous man, disguised as a snowmobile game warden, has shot and killed as many as 4 game wardens. He is currently riding along these trails and is shooting and running over passing riders. This man is wearing a green game warden's jacket, black snow pants and a concealed black helmet. If you are currently out on the road, pull up to the side of the road, and get down the floor of your vehicle so you cannot be seen. At this time, the local authorities are working to resolve the situation. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All local broadcast systems shall transmit this message. This is WOXO. We will continue to serve the Norway area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to a station providing news for your area. Here is an update on the situation regarding the dangerous snowmobiler. At this time, this man has shot 8 more game wardens, with 2 of them being fatal. It is unknown at this time how many civilians have been wounded or killed. He is currently making his way toward the following towns/areas: Waterville, Stowe, Waterford, and Conway, New Hampshire. If you are out on the road, pull off to the side of the road. Pull over and get to the floor of your vehicle, out of sight. If you are out or outside of your house, get inside. Lock all windows and doors. Do not go outside for any reason, and hide under or next to a sturdy piece of furniture, away from windows and doors. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All local media outlets shall transmit this message. This is 94.9 FM WHOM. We will continue to serve the Mount Washington area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to a station providing news for your area. This is a special news bulletin from your local authorities. The big game warden has crashed into a brook and no longer poses a threat. His body has been identified as 32-year-old John Sampson. It is unknown whether his death was an accident or suicide. However, the civil danger warning that was issued at 12:40 p.m. has been lifted and it is now safe to leave your residences. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All broadcast systems may now resume normal programming operations. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All broadcast systems may now resume normal programming operations.